The latest game-changing innovation in snow control comes from Penguin's all-new System Monitor. It brings usability, safety, and troubleshooting to a whole new level. Settings and calculations are the same as in previous Penguin systems, but can now be seen all at once while being adjusted and at a glance during truck operation, helping drivers keep their eyes on the road instead of on hydraulic controls. User settings are input with knobs that allow for quick adjustment of spreader settings while providing feedback through detents. All necessary information is continuously displayed on one 10-inch screen. The large screen and easily readable information reduce driver distractions in the cab. The truck number sets the specific hydraulic system options and the information available, so each Penguin system is tailored for your truck. Real-time auger and wetting output shows exactly how much material you're spreading. Total system and spreader pressure are displayed, as well as hydraulic oil temp. There are no buttons to press or switches to toggle to get the information that you need. Alarms occur when these readings are outside of acceptable limits. In addition to the audible alarm, the System Monitor provides a visual alarm indicator and highlights the offending measurement. There is no need to flip through modes or wait for a message to reappear to know exactly what's going on with your truck. As with previous Penguin controls, the System Monitor can be removed and replaced in minutes with no tools. The System Monitor and control box each store a copy of calibration constants, so if a swap is required, your truck information is retained and you can be back on the road without recalibration or tedious data entry. The control box recognizes when the stored calibrations differ and asks which set is to be used. Since the display lists which truck each set was stored for, the selection is simple. Once the source is selected, its calibration data is loaded and used until the system is restarted. If it's a permanent installation, the correct calibration can be saved to both locations, eliminating the mismatch. Unlike other central hydraulic system controllers, the Penguin System Monitor only takes 15 seconds to start. During the startup, software versions are displayed and can be noted for technical support if needed. While the Penguin 485 hydraulic systems are reliable and durable, they may require troubleshooting and repair from time to time. The Penguin System Monitor makes this task a breeze, with maintenance documents available in the screen that are specific to your truck. Hydraulic circuit diagram. Coil location and wire colors. Valve location and part number. Fitting locations. Electrical connector pinouts. And the plumbing diagram are all available on screen. There are also zoom functions for ease of use. In addition to these documents, the coil energization screen shows, in real time, which coils are energized. Tests can be done without the truck running, eliminating the dangers of a pressurized hydraulic system. A small wrench or screwdriver is used to check that the correct coils are magnetized for a given input. If they are, the problem is likely hydraulic. If not, it's in the controls. This helps safely solve the trickiest part of any electrically controlled hydraulic troubleshoot. Also included in the coil energization screen are speed, spreader status, pressures, and hydraulic oil temperature. Since it shows coil functions in real time, automatic functions can be easily tested using Speed Sim. Cylinder function energization can be checked using the troubleshooting cable to relocate controls next to the hydraulic manifold. All LS and 6-bit models are supported, and any unit produced since 2013 can be upgraded to use the System Monitor, giving Penguin owners the chance to modernize their fleet while new trucks are hard to come by. Pre-order the next generation Penguin Control to get these extra features. The next generation Penguin Control monitors the valve coils and can inform the operator of shorted coils, open or disconnected coils, and low system voltage. The system checks for open coils on each startup and monitors for shorted and open coils while in operation. These checks can also be run manually and make electronic troubleshooting even simpler, allowing mechanics to focus on finding the actual problem instead of wondering if electronic issues are confusing their tests. With the next generation Route Optimizer, you can get maximum coverage and never run out of salt again. If you have a positive displacement brine pump, the new Route Optimizer will provide settings that allow you to use all loaded material to evenly cover your specific route. Input your route length in miles. Material loaded in gallons of brine and tons of salt. And the number of times the route is to be run before reload. The Route Optimizer gives you the ideal settings to use all materials without running out. These calculations are continuously updated in real time, so blast usage, speed fluctuations, stops, and so on are accounted for. The arrows in the wetting and auger display will show which settings are currently needed to accomplish this, and will show any needed adjustments as the route is run. On-screen graphics also show current material load and distance remaining. It will also have a smaller control pod that can be placed anywhere in the cab for ease of use and improved ergonomics. With Penguin's next generation controls, your snow patrol is unstoppable. Give us a call today for a quote on the biggest improvement in snow control yet.